Hi, I'm Amy Cornelius. I've been teaching for about 20 years and I'm looking forward to another one. Let me walk you through a few of the things that you would probably find the most helpful when it comes to navigating your student's course. Whether we're talking about geometry or we're talking about pre-calculus or really any course, it doesn't matter. The general idea of what I suggest is going to be the same. On our Schoology page, you're going to find some resources. If you would like to know a little bit about the class policies, there's some resources listed in here. And you could click on this and see our expectations and our policies. This folder is also going to contain helpful links for the students, whether that's to their book, it's to the ARC to get some help, or some technical issues that might come up. But the piece that's probably the most helpful, and this is true for you as well as your student, is going to be what will probably always be here at the top, the schedule and assignments. If you click on this, it's going to show what we're talking about in class as well as the homework. In this document, the current chapter will be on top. So if we're in geometry, the current chapter is chapter 1, it's going to be listed on top. Once we have chapter 2 will be on top. The chapter 1 schedule will still be here to see. What's helpful about these schedules, and again, it doesn't matter what course we're talking about, is that it tells you what we're talking about in class as well as what's assigned and highlights when there's an assessment of some kind. The targets for the chapter will also be included there, as well as a lot of links. So for instance, here we have some links to get us to, this one is for the book, this one is for a PDF of a page. This was where they listed some answers. And so rather than going through different parts of our website and finding the links, everything will be here for them, including the solutions and the questions. You can just click on this link. And again, it doesn't matter what course we're talking about. Here's a pre-calculus schedule as well, and you see the same thing is happening. Everything is explained here. So the main document to consider is going to be the schedule and assignments. There will also be chapter folders, and in that are going to be another way that you can access some of those links to get to the solutions or to the questions. I also encourage you to look at your grades for your students on a regular basis. That is a good way to communicate if something is missing. The Schoology grade will detail every assignment or quiz or whatever the score is for, versus Infinite Campus just gives you one general grade. So looking at Schoology will let you know how your student did on each assignment or each quiz. And if you see something that's missing, that tells you obviously that I don't have that from your student. I update those grades on a pretty regular basis, so you would be able to expect that every 2 to 3 days that grade is as accurate as I'm aware of. And so if you feel like there's something missing, please encourage your student to reach out to me. As far as this website, your student, I've talked to them about all of this stuff already, so they would be a good resource in terms of how to navigate through here. But if they have questions or you have questions, please reach out to me. I do want to help them be successful and feel like it's a good year. It's good to have everybody back. Thanks for joining me.